the right knee internal weight. Left foot, left heel outward, left toes inward. Left, opening the right hand. 1. Coming late to the class, disturb whole class. 2, 3, forward. 4, press the root of the palm, shift your chin away from the floor. 6, press the root of the palm. 7, right hand on your waist. Drishti up, drishti up, hold. You will only lift your hand depending on the stability of the posture, not the flexibility, the stability of the posture, which is brought by your 2 legs. Strong legs, lift the hand up. 1. Weak legs, shaking leg, hand remain there on the waist. If you are shaking, hand remain on your waist. Only when you are stable, the hands goes up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jump and change the leg in the same alignment. 1, left, up. 2, 3, finger direction forward. 4, press the root of the palm, shift your chin away from the floor. 6, press the root of the palm. 7, 8, 9, 10. Right palm center of the chair, left palm left waist. Twist. Strong leg. 2, 3. Stable, then raise the hand. 4, 5. Back foot down, take the leg forward. 6, straight hand. 7, 8, 9, 10. Change the leg, jump. 1. Trikonasana. Move your left foot back, toes outward, heels outward, toes inward. Press the right palm to the center of the chair and open the left hand. 1, 2, press the root of the palm. 3, get your head controlled. 4, the head is not falling. Control the head, control the plane. From here, press the left leg down and extend the left hand forward and over. Left hand forward and over. Keep shifting here. Now, from here, both the hands on the chair. 1 and 2. Hold. 3. Keep the chest opening. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come back, jump and change the leg. Now you know where is the challenge. So walk your foot forward so that your chair is close to you. Standing upright, turn the foot, arrange your right leg, turn the right foot inward and heel outward. From here, placing the left palm, opening the right hand. 1. Coming late to the class, disturb whole class. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Start extending the hand over the head over the head. Get your chair. And then from here, take another hand and place on the chair. One hand is behind, other hand is forward. So the lower hand is forward, upper hand is behind. Upper hand behind you, upper hand behind you. The lower hand is forward so that you can open the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time when you change your leg, your right foot goes out of the chair while jumping. Your right foot goes out of the chair. 1. Hanuman jump. 2. Hanuman jump. 3. Hanuman jump. 4. See, sink down. Hanuman jump. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Right leg is forward now. Everyone, right leg is forward? Yes. From here, bend the right knee internal weight. Left foot, left heel outward, left toes inward. Left knee is not bending. Keep your left leg strong. Get your right elbow down. Raise the left hand up. Press the right elbow down. Keep opening the chest. 1, 2, 3. Extend the hand over the head. Bend this elbow. Catch the chair. Chair's handle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change for 9 counts. Jump. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्टौ, नव. Left foot has to be forward, right heel has to be down, right toes inward, left knee inward. Press the left elbow, raise the right hand. Stretch upward the left elbow and the right shoulder joint in relation to move away from each other. You are listening the instruction. The left elbow and the right shoulder both in relation to move away. Now from here, extend the hand, bend the elbow. 2, open the chest. Get your head and open the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open the chest. 6, 7. Relaxed. Sit on the chair facing to the wall. Legs wider. Toes are outward. Goddess position. The toes out. The root of the palm in. Holding like this. Take the hands back. Hold the chair. The handle of the chair. Holding here. 1. Hands are straight. Shift forward. All of you shift forward and then arrange the hands. 2, 3, 4. Shift forward. 5. Elbow straight. Can this elbow get straight? 4, heels and toes in line, in a straight line. Shift the chest forward to get the elbow straight. Lift the chest and chin up. Trunk is shifting forward. The root, the hip, the butt pressing downward and going back. The chin is up. The shoulder blades are in. Now, you will leave the chair without changing the position. Leave the chair with your butt. Lift up, stand, halfway. 1, hold. 2, hands are straight, the trunk is in a perpendicular line, the knees are wider. Most of the back pain arises because of inflexible or stiff pelvic joints. So if you want to prevent your lower back pain in your future, your pelvic joints has to be open. Hands to the chair. Last 3, 2, 1. Relax down, hands up. 1. Stretch the hands up, palms facing upward. Flex the palm. 2, 3, 4, 5. Shift the weight forward. Get the trunk parallel to the floor. Keep your chin up. Now place the palm on the floor and lift the chest up. It's called Ardha Uttanasana on the chair. You need to arrange the leg, please do that. But press the root of the palm and keep the chest and chin up. Lower this back of your chest. Back of the chest should not round. Lower it. Create arch. Keep lifting the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, without moving your palm, leave the chair. You are not allowed to leave the palm from the floor. Leave the chair. Palms are down. Leave the chair. Straighten the knees if your hands are not lifting up. Otherwise, keep your knees bent. Heels are out, toes are in. Change the direction of your leg. Heels are out, toes are in. Lift the chest up. Palms down. Palms are down. Spread the fingers wider. Tailbone is up. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk your palms forward. Walk the palm forward. Walk your palms forward. Walk your palms forward. Get your right foot and left foot on the seat of the chair to Dandasana position. Tuck the toes on the chair. Shift the weight forward. In line, parallel, trunk from the floor. In line, parallel, trunk and whole body from the floor. Parallel body to the floor. Ankit, straight. 2, 3, 4. One leg on the chair, other knee down. Right leg is straight, left knee is down. Lift the chest up. Right leg is straight, left knee down. Lift the chest and chin up. Hold. 1. You are practicing Marjorie with one leg. That is called cat and cow position. Excellent for the lower back pain. At the same time, stiffness in your hip, in your butt also cause stiffness in the bones. Very, very important posture for back pain. From here, working on the core muscles to prevent diabetes, acidity, reproductive organs and abdominal organs disease. Move the knee off to the stomach. Move the knee off towards the stomach. Point the left toes, balancing with the strength of your arms. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.